Hello and welcome to today's session. Um, we look today again in BetterNest, and I will explain you now in a few minutes what's the difference between our freeform shape nesting and our square shape nesting. Let's start in BetterNest. We already know this mask here. So first we do as always, we import some raw parts. We take here two different types of robots. Import. We have a 16mm and a 19mm robot here. We go into parts, add the parts. We choose from our importing that one and as well importing that one. So we imported now generated nesting hops parts out from cabinet control for a cabinet which has drawers, which have middle panel, side panel, top and bottom. The connectors, as we can see here and up there, are cabineros. And let's go to nested. Let's see what's happening. So we're gonna save it as wall cabinet. Yes, I want to replace it. Give me a few seconds and we will have finished the nesting and optimizing soon. And it's finished. So what we see here now is the board for our drawer rails. Of course, here is the waste is really a lot, and it's just using a few drawer rails. This is just for showing you that we split up in different materials. We have now the 90mm board. Here we see it's everything is square shape nested. Everything is here aligned in rectangular. So that means for us square shape nesting, everything what is square shaped we can do here. And also if you have only the square shaped nesting, if you would have now a free shaped part which have maybe a radius here, a radius here or something, it will always take the outside line. So from here to here to here to here. So it never takes the actual form and shape of the part, it's always taking the biggest rectangular above it. And how true shape and real shape nesting looks like, I will show you in the next. So we'll make a new one. Going back to robots, say okay, my 19mm part, that's fine. I'm taking 5 pieces and I'm going to parts. So now I'm going to import some more interesting parts. So as we can see up here on the right side up, what's the shape of this part? So we have really different shapes and how it looks like. Quite interesting shapes. So now with the if we would have only rectangular shaping, it will always only nest and optimize this part. What it will do, our true shape nesting, it will calculate the real tool path and will not see this as a part of our workpiece. It sees it as an open space where he can place something else. And how this looks like, we will see when I'm pressing optimizing. And finished. I think now it's really clear to see what's the difference between true shape and square shape. So with the true shape, really it tries to, we allow him to turn it, to put it where it's the best way, how to reduce the yield the most possible way. So, and this is how it looks like in a true shape. And of course, immediately we can um, we can make the hop file out of that, and this is how it looks like when it's finished. I think it's clear now. So thank you for listening, and have a look next time as well.